Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you want to make sure that your wood boards and utensils can be in use and stay looking amazing and undamaged for many years, then you need to be using this Booze Block Mystery Oil to treat them. So I like to apply this mystery oil to my butcher block about once every 3 weeks so that it can look good, well protected, and it's not going to crack from use. So I apply an even coat of this oil directly to the board, and then I use a paper towel to distribute it evenly across the board into all the grooves, the side, the little handle spots on the sides, and both sides, obviously. Then I place it upright and let it sit overnight. And then the next day I wipe off any excess oil. And this has kept my board looking so good. This is a great oil, and I'm definitely going to continue to use it to keep my boards in tip-top shape and looking amazing. And that's my point of view.